In this video, I will be showing you how to view the email content in .eml file in your computer. So let's get started. First, go to the folder where you have stored the .eml file. Next, right-click on the file. Next, from the menu, click Open with tab. And again, from the list of applications, select Notepad. Here, you can view all the email content. Search for content type in the Notepad to read the main content in the email file. Press Ctrl plus the F key on your keyboard. Type in content type and search. You will find the main email content under the last content type phrase. It is the main email content in between the HTML codes. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.